Hello, MyBlindCo users. Today I'm going to share with you how to set up your shipping expense to pass it on to the customer on your quote. So, if you're in the camp where you want to present it to the customer and, like I say, pass it on, we have the tool for you. There's two schools of thought. Most manufacturers group ship, and some actually ship everything out individually. So I'm going to use Alta as an example. Alta, Hunter, Graber, most of the larger manufacturers do group ship. And when I mean group ship, you could be ordering one shade, one blind, and they only charge you one minimum ship fee of $25. Whereas like Norman, who ships everything separately, if you order one roller shade, it's $25, and one blind, it's $25, and in which case it's a little bit easier on the setup. So to add shipping using the group ship feature, the first thing we need to do is log into the browser version, the portal here, go to the manufacturer tab under My Business, and I'm going to go ahead and open up Alta here. Scroll down way to the bottom, and you'll see where you can put in the shipping information. So for Alta, blinds and shades, men's ship is $25, and then each subsequent unit is $9. And you have two columns, one for what you want to charge the customer and one for your actual cost. So yeah, we have two columns because, you have the liberty to charge whatever you want for shipping. If you want to mark it up, you can do that. So instead of 25, you can charge them $30. So that's just why we have two, just to give you that flexibility. Once this page is filled out, then it kind of makes it real easy to update that on the next step. So next step would be going to the My Business pricing and RPM page. All right, go find our manufacturer, Alta, select the product. Let's just grab banded shades, and then you'd swing over to the right and select a shipping group. So in this case, I have it shipped, selected shades, and so that will pre-populate what I have on the manufacturing tab. Same goes on the right. I'll show you. You select a group, and then it pre-populates. If I was doing Norman, let's just do Norman real quick, who ships everything out individually. Grab a product. I'd use ship individually, and then you'd fill this out yourself. So I got a shade here, it's 9. Men ship 25. And again, this could be anything you want it set at. And then just make sure you hit save. Okay, and then once this is filled out for all your products, then you'll see on the right, when you're out in the field using the iPad, creating a quote, it automatically will tabulate your actual shipping, no matter what manufacturer, $70 for the first unit on a Norman shutter, 25 for each subsequent shade. No matter if you're quoting Norman, Graber, Alta, it will tabulate it here on the right, so it's itemized. Same goes for installation, works the same way. You populate your install tab here. Now, of course, all of this is optional. You don't have to charge shipping and installation. You don't have to itemize it. Maybe you want to build it in. We have that flexibility for you. And then lastly, you might have it set up to calculate your actual shipping, but you always have the opportunity to override it too. So maybe you want to charge flat 150, or there's, extra ladder work or something else that you just want to mark that up to a certain dollar amount. You have that flexibility as well. And then as you can see, it's itemized on the right. And, the other option is maybe, if you just want to not charge shipping, some people use that as a closer. You can zero it out too. And then it just doesn't show up here on the right. All right, guys, hopefully that's gives you a little clarity on how to actually set up your shipping. Just a reminder, every Thursday, 3 p.m. Eastern, we have open webinar and training. We'll walk you through how to do this in your own company if you like. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, have a great day.